Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kailina if you guys are new here. Hello, hi. It's been a really long time since I've made a YouTube video, and it's been like a whole year since I've used any of my Halloween stuff. So here I am showing you how I do this devilish Halloween she-devil look. I have been gone for so long. Also, news, remember 3 years ago when I made a video, you probably don't remember, but remember when I said I was going to become a MAC freelance artist? Yeah, so this year, literally like a little bit over a month ago, I became a permanent MAC artist. Yay, I know, congratulations. Also, look at my cute little Halloween decor in the back. Yeah, let me zoom in a little bit. To start off, I already have like blue, I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, do you like my nails? Thank you. We've got like this blue streak going on. Don't mind it. I found some body spray, didn't realize, I don't even think it's for your hair. I think it's just for your body. I don't know. Okay, well, to start off, we are gonna prep and prime our face. We are going to put that all over our face here. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with the face paint, which is the fun and messy part. I am using my Mehron makeup. Oh god, it has dust on it. That's how you know I haven't used it since last Halloween. I've got my paint brushes here, and I've also got my little mini water spray to activate the face paint. For the last devil look that I did, I glued down my brows. This time we're not gonna do that because I have a different idea this time. And I feel like this would be easier if I just use a sponge. Maybe I should try that. We'll try that technique and see how that goes, because this paintbrush might take a while. And then we are definitely gonna go bring this all the way down to the neck. Now I'm gonna go in with a red eyeshadow. We're gonna use that to also set the face. And we are just gonna be setting this all over our face to give us some more redness. Okay, before we start with the eyes, oh my god. I feel like I need to do something about my lips. I just can't keep staring at myself like this. I'm sorry, guys. And we are just gonna kind of like highlight some areas underneath our eyes. So I'm going to go in with my contour brush, my Morphe M164 brush. If you guys do not already have a nose contour brush, I highly suggest getting one. It makes life so much easier. Nice on here. So, we have to be very careful with our brows because, you know, one mistake can't really fix it. You know, this reminds me, I had a client come in one time and she was like, oh, like, what is that black, like, eyebrow stuff? And I know that at MAC we have, like, you know, the dip down, we have stuff like that, but I have never heard somebody use Blacktrack for their brows. I mean, I kind of like it. And let's see what time it is. My boyfriend gets home in about an hour. We gotta wrap this up, girl. We gotta wrap this up. I'm supposed to go to the DMV today. Now we're gonna start doing our eyeshadow, which is probably the fun part. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to carve out, kind of like make it look like my eyes are sunk in. Okay, hopefully that's better. I changed the exposure so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Oh, camera's about to die. Okay, I'm gonna go do the other eye and I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so we are back. I went ahead and I finished this side of my face. I don't know if I really like this little, I don't know. And dang, like, look at my teeth. They look so bright and shiny. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with the Eldora False Lashes B802. I also added like under lashes. I don't know if you guys can see them right here. Those are the Sexpot lashes from MAC Cosmetics. And so now, which is the fun part, I'm going to go ahead and add my wig. We are going to get the prosthetics started. We're going to paint them. I have polyplastic, so I know I can mold them, so I'm going to make little horns. I've never used this before, but I did see a YouTube video on using these. So we're going to make an attempt. We're gonna try to stick it to our face and see what happens from there. We're gonna go ahead and brush out this wig here. I got this wig from Annabelle Wigs. And for the final transformation, well, not final, but almost transformation, we're just gonna slip this on. In order to make this mold, it says melt with hot water, easy to use, mold by hand. I made these little horns from the polyplastic. I put them in super hot water and then I molded them to look like horns. I am using molding putty by Mehron. It's gonna focus. I'm just kind of like outlining the bottom of the horns. Okay, so I am most definitely not a pro at this, but I got the molding putty to like stick to my face. All right, so now that we have this sticky stuff here, we are gonna go back in with the red face paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my ever so disgusting Mehron Cogulated blood.
Are you talking to yourself?
No.
That's good though, holy shoot. It was some fun.
I would say this looks pretty good for my first time trying SFX, bro. Look at that. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think this is the first SFX kind of face paint creative makeup that I've done on my YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on all my socials. I will link it after this video. But yeah, this is how the look turned out. I will see you in my next video.